friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before start the video, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel. How to solve too many requests error/problem while sign into account. It happens due to internet connection. Let's start the video without any delay. Open Microsoft login page. Enter email address. Then put password to log in your account. Then error message show that too many requests means you cannot log into your account, and error show due to poor internet connection or poor Wi-Fi signals. First solution is to reload the page again and again. This method will work and your account will be signed in. Other method is clearing browser history. So go to history and delete everything from history. Again, try to log in your account after clearing search history, and you will easily sign into your account. Hope you liked the video. Please share your experience about the video. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe the channel.